Welcome to this amazing 30-day manifestation challenge for beginners and returning meditation users. This audio contains a formula that will show you how to manifest any financial goal you want without any effort. This is the most simple and straightforward manifesting meditation you can find. Just trust the creating process and follow the simple instructions. You will be creating emotional, sensory-rich thoughts. You will visualize what it feels like and what it looks like and even what it smells like to already have what you want. The more emotional you are, the more real it becomes. As you continue to listen to this video day after day, what you wish to manifest will become more and more clear in your imagination. It will become more and more powerful each and every time you listen. You will find yourself living this experience you observed in your mind. If you follow this formula, you will have anything you can truly want. Unfortunately, even people who understand this formula can't discipline themselves for even the 30 days. So I'm challenging you to make a 30-day commitment right now. If you can follow this audio session with focus and intention towards your financial goal for 30 days, you are guaranteed to see your visualizations begin to manifest into your life. Understand that it cannot be otherwise. It's a universal law. Keep those words of Ralph Waldo Emerson in mind. The only thing that you can grow is the thing you give energy to. The first element of this formula is to pick one thing related to wealth you would like to manifest into your life. When choosing what you want to manifest, it's essential to stick to just one thing for the duration of the 30-day challenge. Let me repeat this. You have to visualize and focus on only financial objective. This is important. Another thing to keep in mind when choosing what to manifest, to stretch your beliefs on what is possible to attract, but also don't attempt to manifest something that you will never believe is possible. Belief is the most crucial aspect of this formula in manifesting what you want. So take a moment now to get relaxed and think about what you want to manifest, whether that's earning or receiving $10,000, or getting your dream job, or having that brand new car. Be specific, as the more specific you are, the easier it is for the universe to give you what you want. We are going to start this manifesting audio session now. Make sure you're in a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, with all distractions off. Having headphones on helps a lot. Following my voice allows you to focus on the present moment and to relax. We are going to take one deep breath in and release. When you exhale, you allow your body to relax. You start to feel more and more relaxed. The more relaxed you become, the easier it is to access your subconscious mind and focus on visualizing and feeling and believing you already have what you want. Again, take another deep breath. And feel your whole body completely relax. Let the tension of every single muscle go. I want you to visualize a funnel, a huge funnel, and it's pointed right at the center of your head. This wonderful energy is flowing from space in through that funnel to you and through you. This energy just is. It has no form. What we want to do is merely to give this energy a form that you will have chosen. Now imagine this energy circulating through your brain, starting by going into your forehead and slowly moving in the back of your head. It's now going down into the cheeks, to your nose, your eyes, your mouth, your tongue, your lips. This beautiful bluish energy is healing energy. It's creative energy. It's pure, unadulterated, creative energy. And as it moves down through your body becomes more clearer. It becomes cleansed. It becomes more and more alive. This beautiful energy is now moving down into your neck, through into your shoulders, down through your arms, right down to your fingertips. And you're becoming very relaxed. You just hear my voice. You can see with your inner eye this beautiful energy moving into your chest and your upper back. It's moving down through your abdomen and into your hips. And as this beautiful energy moves through you, you become more and more rich. You feel more and more abundant. You're now living in the creative world, the world of your imagination, a world where all creation begins. This beautiful energy now moves into the lower part of your body, into your hips, and into the upper part of your legs, down through your knees, down through the lower part of your legs, into your heels, and at your feet. Your entire body is now clear, relaxed, and in perfect harmony with the laws of the universe. Now I want you to draw your focus back to what you want to manifest. Think about what this manifestation means to you. What would it mean if you already had it in your life right now? How will this change your life? How will this improve the lives of the people around you? Imagine yourself talking to family, friends, or coworkers about what you have manifested into your life. Take a moment to visualize these conversations. Visualize how they are reacting to your wonderful news. It's happening right now, at this very moment, because you believe it to be true. Now focus on visualizing what this manifestation looks like in your life. What are you doing with this new manifestation? How does it feel to experience it? You are experiencing it right now. Feel it, sense it, smell it, touch it. Imagine and create every single detail of your manifestation. All those details are in front of you right now. How do you react when first realizing that you've attracted your manifestation into your life? What feelings do you have? Are you happy, excited, motivated, joyful? You realize that everything you're visualizing and feeling is already happening at this very moment. This is a fact because as you think, that is what you become. Because everything that exists in your physical words right now was first just an idea in your imagination. Everything is first originated into the non-physical world. Nevertheless, it actually exists. You believe this without a doubt. It doesn't matter where this manifestation came from, because you are a limitless being, and there are endless possibilities of how you manifested this into your life. You do not need to focus on how it happened, because it doesn't matter. All that matters is that you have the potential right now, at this very moment, to manifest and create anything you truly desire. You are enjoying this right now because you can feel it, see it, and you believe it. It started in your mind, but now it manifested into your reality. Continue to focus on all the little details of your visualization. How do you know this is manifested into your life? If it's physical, you can see it. And if it's not physical, what details make you know for a fact that you have manifested what you want? See it happening in your life right now. Now, as you continue to relax and visualize those images, I want you to just let go completely. Just trust this creative force. This process of letting go allows these thoughts to access your subconscious mind, and it will help you to effortlessly take action. It will assist you in making decisions that will bring you closer and closer to your goal until it is manifested into your life. So let's take a deep breath right now. And when you breathe out, just let go of all your thoughts. All those feelings can just be gone for now, because you know that for the rest of your day, your subconscious mind will give you the motivation and the energy to take action and know exactly what to do. What you want to manifest is now a natural part of you and the universe. Therefore, it will be attracted to you naturally in an effortless manner. Continuing this activity daily will ingrain these thoughts and visualizations into your subconscious mind more and more each time you listen, it will make your manifestation come quicker and easier. So just let it go and let it be. I want you to get into the habit of listening to this every day, at least once a day. Know that you have unlimited potential and that you are creative. See you tomorrow